Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study math. First, ensure you grasp fundamental concepts completely. Do not rush through new topics. Take your time to understand the why behind each formula and method. Consistent daily practice is crucial. Dedicate at least 1 hour every day to solving problems. This builds confidence and speed, making complex problems seem less daunting. Regular review of older material, perhaps once every 3 days, prevents forgetting key information. Next, develop strong problem-solving strategies. When faced with a challenging question, break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. Clearly identify what information is provided and what the question asks you to find. Try different approaches. Sometimes, drawing a diagram or working through a simpler example can reveal the solution path. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are valuable learning opportunities. Analyze your errors to understand where you went wrong. Efficient time management is key to success. Establish a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific blocks of time, perhaps 2 hours, solely to mathematics. Allocate sufficient time for each chapter, ensuring you cover all topics thoroughly. Utilize all available resources, your textbook, online tutorials, and especially past examination papers. Solving at least 5 years of previous papers provides invaluable insight into common question types and marking schemes. This structured approach maximizes your learning. Finally, prepare effectively for your exams. Create a dedicated formula sheet and revise it daily. Solve a wide range of practice questions, including those from sample papers and mock tests, aiming for at least 10 complete papers. Time yourself during these practice sessions to improve speed and accuracy. After each test, thoroughly analyze your mistakes. Understand why you made them and work on those specific weak areas. This targeted revision will significantly boost your scores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.